Today I'm going to show you how to use Upwork's new AI assistant, Uma. So as of recently, Upwork released Uma, which is Upwork's mindful AI. So let's go into this job over here. And once you go into the job, you can actually click on apply now. And once you're in the apply now section, when you can actually apply for the job, you'll see just down over here, this little icon has showed up. Now, if you click on this icon, you'll have the pop-up window come up on the right-hand side. And here you can see that this is a chat window. And here you can chat with Uma. Now, the reason it's so different to just using ChatGPT or whatever else you use is that because this window is here with this job, this conversation is relevant to this specific job. So right now, all the data that you can see on your screen from the job title and description, all of the terms, the payments, the schedules, the rate increase, your cover letter, all of the questions that have been asked, the attached files, and all of the profile highlights that you can add in here, including boosting your profile and bidding to boost your profile to the top of the rank. All that is understood by Uma right over here. So whatever questions you have, you can ask Uma right here. And you can have it relevant to this job. So you don't have to say, hey, Uma, I am applying for a job and this is the job title. These are the requirements for the job. Can you please write me a proposal, a cover letter for that? No, it already knows what you're doing. So all you have to do is ask it a question and it'll give you the answer. Now, of course, if you do ask for a proposal or a cover letter draft, you can copy paste it into these sections over here. But as it says at the bottom, that it is still your responsibility to create the content and to actually complete the work. So be sure to check all the responses that Uma generates, and also make sure that you're not relying on Uma altogether, but you're using it to assist you to be the main person in the situation.